So, what's the probability that it will rain tomorrow? Well, again, it really does depend on where you are and the time of year, right? So, I'm going to base this in Beijing in December, and the chance it will rain tomorrow, looking at the forecast, is very, very slim. But it's asking for it on a probability scale. Now, this could be done on a line like this. So, if I wrote 0 as a 0% chance and 1 being a 100% chance, where would you put it will rain tomorrow in Beijing in December? Well, is it impossible? No, because you never know what's going to happen. It's unlikely, so according to the forecast, there's a very slim chance it will rain. So I'm going to put A here, very, very close to 0, but not exactly 0. What about in B? England will win their next football match. Right, well, I don't know who they're going to be playing next, but let's say that they're going to be playing Brazil next. If they play Brazil next, then the chance of them winning this match will be probably down here. I'm going to say it's very unlikely to beat Brazil, but you never know. However, if we're going to be playing North Korea, then it's probably likely that we're going to win that, and I would put that over here. So it could be either of the two. It really depends who they win, who they play against, and also, it depends on who they have on their team. It's got so many different variables in this, and so it's very difficult to say exactly where you put it. For part C, then, someone in your class has a birthday tomorrow. This is quite an interesting one, actually. If you have a group of, I think it's 21 people, the likelihood of one of those people having a birthday on that particular day is about 50%. And we can look at this in a different way. Let's say that in our class, let's say that there are 20 people in the class. What's the probability that one of them is going to have a birthday today? Well, it's around 50%, and the probability that someone will have a birthday tomorrow, is that going to be any different? No, it's not. So it would be around here, which is quite surprising if you had a class of about 21 or 23 people, actually, I think it is. 23 people you would have, and the probability of it being a birthday on any particular day is about 50%, which is quite strange. It's called the birthday paradox. It's not really a paradox, but it's more of just a curiosity. So we can always find out, if we knew the birthdays of everybody, then we would say either it's 1 or it's 0. But without knowing that before, we would say that it's around here. Okay, we've got the bold line now, so you can make a start on the first exercises.